Hello everyone, my name is Nishank Vadhera. I am from EC6A and today we are going to learn how to install NS2 on Windows 10. I will be going to divide this video into two parts. First part is to download and install the VirtualBox, and the second part would be that how to install it on Ubuntu. So for the first part, you need to install a virtual machine on your Windows 10 so that it will be able to run Ubuntu, and in that we will be able to run NS2 software. So firstly, just go on to your browser, go on to Google and type Oracle VM VirtualBox. After clicking on it, you will see a page will open up. You just need to click on the downloads button here, and again it will open up the download page. Now here, just see, you need to click on Windows host. You just need to click on it and it will start get downloading. After that, open a new tab, again go to Google, and here you need to type Ubuntu 20.04 ISO download. Now after clicking on it, it will just redirect you to a website which will say ubuntu.com/download/desktop. You need to click on it. After that, it will show LTS. Just remember, you need to just remember this three-letter word LTS. You just need to click on download. After clicking on download, it will automatically start downloading the ISO file here, and it will get downloaded depending on your internet speed. As I have already downloaded it, so I will just start the process of installing it. So first you need to install VirtualBox setup. You need to double click on it. Now it will open it up. Now you need to click on next. Now you need to click on next. It will open it up in program files of C. Now you need to just click on next again. Now it will just say that it will interfere with the networks and all of it will be disconnected and all of that. You just need to click on yes, and it will say are you ready to install? Yes, you need to click on install button. Now it will get installed in several minutes depending on your laptop performance. Now you need to click on yes button. After that, it will start get installing. You just need to wait for a couple of minutes so that it just get installed successfully. Yeah, so it is installed. Now you need to click on this start Oracle mark and now click on finish. Here you have clicked on the finish button. Now we will open Oracle VM VirtualBox. After going on here, you need to click on new. After that, you need to type the name of the operating system that you want to create. So I will type NS2. Now here in this type, you need to select Linux, and in the version you need to select Ubuntu and 64-bit. Now you are going to click on next. After that, you need to allocate some RAM to this system. So in my case, I have total of 8 GB of RAM, and accordingly I will give 50% of my RAM, that is around 4 GB of RAM. After that, you need to click on next. After that, it will ask you to create a hard disk. You need to click on create button. After that, it will say that what hard disk type you want to choose. So here we will be choosing VirtualBox disk image and click on next. After that, you need to go to dynamically allocated, because I want it to be dynamically allocated. I will click on next. After that, it will say that how many storage you want to give it to the system. So here I have a total of 256 GB of storage in my C drive. So accordingly, I will give it around 50 GB. You can also give it around 20 GB according to what all space is free in your C drive. Now I will click on create button. After that, the new virtual box is created for this, and now you need to click on start. After clicking on start, you need to select the ISO file here. If the file is not selected automatically, you need to go to this button. After that, you need to click on add and go to the directory where you have already copied the ISO file. Click on it and click on open. After that, you need to click on choose. Here I will again choose it, and now I will click on start. It will start installing the Ubuntu in your virtual machine. So now we will be waiting for the setup to come. Now it will take some time to install Ubuntu, just like you install Windows 10. It is just the same case, but we are installing it on a virtual box. It will take some time to do it. You can cancel these pop-ups. As you can see, the cursor is scrolling up. Yeah. So now, as you can see, we have come to the main window. Now here, you just need to wait for the setup to begin. Yes. So here comes the installation setup. Now you need to click on English here and click on Install Ubuntu. After clicking on it, again you need to select English US, and then click on Continue. After that, you need to do it with normal installation. After that, you need to click on Download Updates while installing Ubuntu. You can either select this or untick this, but here, this install third-party software apps. You need to, it is compulsory to tick on it and click on Continue now. Depending on my computer speed, it will just start installing the operating system. Yes. So now here, don't get worried about anything. You just need to click on Erase Disk and install Ubuntu, as we have already allocated 50 GB of space. So it will only be erasing it and installing it there only. So now you need to click on Install Now button. Now it is just saying if you continue, the changes will take place to the written disk. You need to click on Continue and go on as it is set in the setup file. You just don't need to click on anything else. Just go on with the setup. Yeah. So now you can only select Kolkata, as we are in the plus 5:30 GMT, and now click on Continue. So I can here give my computer name as Nishank, and I can choose my password as 000000, and format password 0000. Now click on Continue. So it is just like installing the software now, operating system on my file. So as you can see, it is saying that installation is complete. Now you need to click on the Restart Now button. And now you need to click on Enter button, nothing else. After that, Ubuntu will boot up. Now you can also like delete the ISO file because it is not longer needed. So as you can see, my Ubuntu is installed now. Now you can click on the profile, enter the password, and click on enter. And now, voila, we are booted. And you can disable the pop-ups, as they will be coming again and again because of the mouse and keyboard functionality. Now you need to click on the skip button, click on the next button here, and now you need to click on no don't send system info and click on next. And after that, again click on next. And if you want to install any software from here, you can directly click on it and install it, but I would say just go on done, just do nothing else. And here you can see we have already installed uh, uh, Ubuntu on my Windows 10. So the next step for us would be for installing NS2 software on this Ubuntu. So now to install NS2 software on our Ubuntu machine, first we need to open the terminal. You have to right click on it and open in terminal. Here we need to write some command so that our NS2 software gets installed. So the first command is sudo apt get install NS2, and now it will ask for my password. I have to enter my password and click on enter. Now it will start unpackaging it, and now I have to type Y and click on enter. After that it will start extracting the packages from the main directory, and it will take a few seconds, and after that it will be done. Okay, so now we need to type one another command, that is sudo apt get install nam. After that it will also be installed. We have to wait for a few seconds. You see the packages are unpackaging, and it will take some time to extract it right now. So now we have also installed nam. So our next step is to install xgraph. Okay, so as we know that we are using 20.04, so the xgraph doesn't get automatically installed in it, so we need to download one tar file from one repository. So you need to go on GitHub and search for this guy named Rose Nazi, and after that you need to go to his NS2 repository, and after that you need to download xgraph. Here I will click on download, save file, and click on OK. After that what I need to do is go to downloads, and yeah, as you can see we have downloaded this file. I will right click on it and click on extract here. Now we need to open a new terminal here. After that we need to copy the some commands from here. Copy, paste, enter. You need to enter the password again, click on enter. Now the next command is this one, copy, and again you can paste it here and click on enter. So as you can see the both the commands are successfully executed, as we have not got any error. So now for checking our xgraph, what we will do is first we will type ns to know if our ns is running or not. You can ignore this error. It sometimes come in. You can ignore this error because we have got a modular sign here, so we can purely say that our NS software has been successfully installed. You now need to hit exit, and now here you need to type nam. After that, as you can see, we have got our nam software. You can click on file, you can click on new nam editor, and here you can type in the code and get the required output. Thank you.